Well, many Star Wars fans are in dreamland this morning after finally getting a chance to see The Phantom Menace. The movie opened just after midnight here in the Tri-State.
Fans lined up early Tuesday, vying to be the first in line to see the motion picture. CBS 44's Dave Bondy has been following this story since last night and tells us the fans are giving the movie a thumbs up.
You were all excited when you got in there. What do you think now?
Oh, I'm in total awe. I mean, it was great. It was everything I expected and more.
The storyline, it was pure Star Wars the whole way. He kept with the same theme, good versus evil.
It sets the mood for the next movie to come and answers a lot of questions about the older movies.
Despite some bad reviews, the first people to see The Phantom Menace say it was worth the wait in line, and for some, a wait they've endured for 16 years. It was one big party for the midnight moviegoers, and two fans just couldn't stay in their seats. They began to joust as the crowd cheered them on. Lines began forming at Evansville Showplace East hours before the movie opened. Father Andy Aussenbaugh may not make it to morning services after his late night.
When Star Wars Return of the Jedi, Empire Strikes Back came out, I was there to see him the first opening day. And so, you wait so many years later, and then all of a sudden, here comes the very first episode, so you got to see it. It's going to be the best.
It's estimated that The Phantom Menace will bring in $45 million the first day alone. Some fans inside that theater say they're already making plans to be back later today. From Evansville's East Side, Dave Bondy, CBS 44 News.
I think Dave had a front row seat. What do you think?
I think he had a good seat.
Now, if you couldn't stay awake to see the movie